Now that I've got the shop reorganized and cleaned up, it's time to get back to the project at hand. And today's job is to cut the sound hole and do the rosette for the cigar box ukulele that I'm making. After cutting the channel in the top, I inlaid a thin strip of black, then white, then black wood around the outside. Then I glued in a circle of spalted maple, routed out a narrow channel on both sides of the spalted maple, and went to work inlaying a checkerboard border. A flush cutting saw trims the nubs down, and then it's sanding time. Sandpaper under the workpiece keeps it in place really well, otherwise the workpiece slides all over the place. The sound hole gets cut out last, and now I have my first rosette. To help tie things together, besides the rosette, the headstock also has spalted maple on it, and I have the same black, white, black inlay on the back. Once the top and back are on the box, I'll have that same pattern binding the perimeter. But that's for another day.